I think this is my feeling that small kids are a blessing of God to us. They are really the blessing, the happiness which they give us. I visit swings quite often because I am in education for the last 55 years, India and outside India, and with play schools for the last 12 years. So I have tried to set up new systems in the country, grading system for the primary school, no examinations. I got it done by NCERT, and all-round development of the child. But when I visit swings, I love small children and I see the way Rajni and her staff is working. It's beautiful. So my one request to the parents is, I am not giving you the advice, but the request. You know, we all want our children to go high up in life, and sky is the limit, and we can reach there. But the cooperation of the parents and the teachers both is very, very important. You know, we want our child to cross the bridge, but we have to hold the hands. One hand in the teachers and one hand with the parents. So I think the child can reach anywhere. And stress-free life, but disciplined. Stress-free life, I should say. We should not dictate our children. We should, when you want to say no to something, must tell the child, think 3 times before you say no or yes. If you say no, there must be a reason explained to the child. But if you will say no and then yes, then there is a lot of difference. Then the children can always know that they can convince you to say yes. So I think this is my experience of life tells me values are never taught, they are taught. Whatever they see are doing, they see the society, the neighbors and everything. So they pick up. We tell the children, you should not lie, and we lie in their presence. So there must be a reason we should explain to the children. As a parent, because they are such young children, they are growing. So they need our emotional support, our moral support, and love. And love should not be conditional, unconditional love. Because they give us so much of happiness. You know, I can't explain. I've seen the difference when I was working in the senior schools, and I've seen the difference when I worked in the play school. I'm really telling you. You enjoy it. The same is at home. But the child has to be disciplined. In today's world, the children have to be disciplined, but in a very, very positive way. So this is my request to the parents. I'm nobody to, advise you, but with my experience, I would like to share my feeling with you, what I have learned in my life. So yesterday also I was here, the way they are taken care of, the way they run around, the way the teachers help them, they love them, they listen to them, and of course, children can do anything, you know, but in a positive way. And one more request, the fathers and mothers are very busy these days, very busy, all of us. But have a little special time for your child, only for your child, maybe on Saturday, Sundays. One should be with the family, togetherness, go for shopping, go for anything, and one with the father also alone. I hope you understand. Because generally the fathers feel that this is mother's job. She has to take care. But don't forget about you. You are also the father. You expect results from your child. But what do we contribute for them? Nothing. I don't say you people, but generally this is what happens. And you know, the general life the child I used to for my preschool children, pre-nursery children, playgroup children. I used to invite ice cream walas to the school, fruit walas to the school and everything to teach them colors and how to exchange the money. They give 10 rupees and they just walk. They don't know. So practical life. You know, what I believe in is what I have learned in my life through the children. Learning by doing, by seeing and by playing has lot of results for the children. You see the difference, not by telling. So I used to tell them, which ice cream you want to buy? They said, ma'am, chocolate or vanilla or this thing. So when they used to pick up, I used to ask them, what's the color? So they remember the colors to ice cream because they love ice cream. Then they will walk back. So then I used to tell them, they have given the money, ask the person how much they have to charge. Take the money back. We have to have the value for money also. But actually, the virtues of life, which we want every child to do. So we have to make our efforts, conscious efforts. So I'm very sorry I am not preaching here, but my experiences I wanted to just share with you. Thank you so much for listening and giving time to me. Thank you so much.
Finding success in each. The deep